In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a channel on Discord. Whether you're aiming to make a channel private or want it to be read only, understanding how to manage your Discord channels effectively can enhance your server's user experience. For this tutorial, we will focus on making a channel private, which means only certain roles will have the ability to see and use it. Let's dive right in. Your first step is to head over to discord.com. Once you're there, find and click on the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so go ahead and type in your email address, followed by your password. After that, simply click on login once more to enter your Discord account. Now, within your server, navigate to the channel you're looking to modify. Next to the channel name, you'll see a small settings icon, typically resembling a gear. Give that a click. This will bring up a series of options, and you'll want to select permissions from the list. In the permissions section, your focus should be on the roles or members listed under @everyone. Here is where you define what access the general members have. Locate the view channel permission. When you find it, you'll see a red X icon beside it. Clicking this icon will explicitly deny the permission for everyone except for the server owner and those with administrator permissions. This essentially makes the channel invisible to all regular members, maintaining it as a controlled environment. At this point, your channel will be hidden from the view of most members. However, it's important to grant access back to certain roles that may need this visibility. Under the Roles Members section, you will notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click it to start adding roles you wish to have the privilege of viewing and interacting with the channel. Select your desired role from the list. Then, for each selected role, navigate to the View Channel permission and click on the green checkmark or tick icon. This action will explicitly allow the permission, thereby enabling the selected role to view the channel. Repeat this process for any other roles you wish to grant access to. Once you've set up varied permissions for your desired roles, it's crucial to save your work. At the bottom of the permissions page, there will be a Save Changes button. Click on it to ensure that all your changes are securely saved and implemented. And there you have it. Your selected Discord channel is now private, with only specified roles having access. This method is a simple yet powerful way to tailor your server's dynamics, ensuring that sensitive discussions or content are only available to designated groups. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks.